What if I said to you could get paid $90 by signing up to one app? What about signing up to two apps and making $180? Just imagine you wake up in the morning, you grab your phone, and you see a new message. It says you've just earned over $150, and this money is on its way to your bank account. You then receive another message that says you've just been paid $365, and this money is on its way to your PayPal account. This is almost an everyday occurrence for me and many other like-minded individuals who know the secret to receiving messages like this every day. This short video will change how you look about how to make money online in ways you have never thought of. I'm going to show you 5 free apps that will pay money directly to you and without much effort on your part. Okay, so you still have to download the app and log into it every day to get that money, so it's not about doing no work, but just a little. Anyway, they're all completely free to download and to sign up to, with no investment needed. This works in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia and Vietnam, and many other countries. So please stick around and make sure you watch right to the end to know which 5 apps we're talking about, because the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. Before we go any further, I would like to welcome you to our channel. This is where we'll show you the most up-to-date money-making ideas, online, tips and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to press the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We love to hear your success stories. Okay, let's get started. The first app I'll show you is Instant GC. You can earn a lot of money simply by downloading it onto your phone. This app also works on iOS and Android phones. If you would like some proof of payment, you can visit their Facebook page. Just search for Insert GC. They are completely honest about everything. You can see actual payments going into somebody's account. And when I click on the next button, you can see that another guy was paid $120 in paper money and another $90 directly into his bank account. If you don't have a PayPal or a bank account, you can even now redeem your money in a free Amazon gift card. There are thousands of other examples I could show you, but look here, it's a $90 Amazon gift card, and I could go on, but let's not waste time. Just go to the Facebook page and check it out if you so wish. Did you know you can earn points for activities you currently do online? For example, you can take some basic surveys and get rewarded by simply clicking a few buttons. Just think, if you can spare 10 or 20 minutes every day, you can just surf the web, browse different websites and search on Google, and you'll be paid for every minute you spend doing so. If you prefer watching videos than general surfing, then that's not a problem. This is my personal favourite because all you have to do is to hit the play button, sit back and watch the video. Also, you can open numerous tabs and watch numerous videos in one go. On top of that, while watching the videos, you could take some surveys or still be searching the web. And this is how we can generate multiple income streams from one single app. If you're thinking about downloading and installing this app, well, why wouldn't you? You can then join into GC app using Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Alternatively, you can just enter your login password, an email address, and click this button to sign up and gain 10 points for free, just for signing up. Okay, let's move on to the second app, which is called App Karma. You can earn rewards by just playing with this app, and it's completely free. Yes, completely free. You don't have to spend any money. And the best part is that you operate on both iOS and Android. The points you have earned while using this app can be redeemed for either PayPal or other top brand gift cards. If you would like some easy money, and who wouldn't, just click this button to download App Karma onto your phone. After downloading, you can collect 300 points for free. Every 100 points equals $1, so they will give you $3 just for downloading the app. And if you have like-minded friends, you can always refer them to the app. This will enable you to earn even more money on App Karma. All you have to do is simply share your invite link and referral code, and you'll get 30% of whatever your friends earn without doing anything. For example, if one of your friends sign up and they earn $120, you'll receive $36 without having to do anything. This app software is just amazing because you just download it, which doesn't cost anything, and you earn extra income without having to do anything. The only stipulation is that you have to log into the app every day. As you can see by logging onto this app, daily you earn your rewards, but you must log in every day. Just by doing this simple daily task, they will give you extra money in bonuses. When you complete a task, they will award you with a different badge. Collecting these badges will help you to level up. Take a look at this. You can increase your reward level every time you earn all of these badges. For example, if you earn $120, you can instantly increase your earnings to $126 by merely applying those badges, which is absolutely insane. They're just giving you extra money. Keep an eye out for all the achievement badges and make sure you collect them to get your hands on that extra money. Before we go any further, let's get you subscribed to the channel and make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you find this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We love to hear feedback from our subscribers. Okay? All done? Let's get back to work and earn some money. Moving on to the next app, I'd like to show you Cash Kick. You'll find that cash is the most valuable reward on this app. They effectively deposit all money into your account either via PayPal or bank transfer. On this website, you can do surveys, find different great deals, watch videos, and surf the web. This is pretty much the same as the other app, Instant GC. Cash Kick will pay you more money just for watching videos. You can sign up for a free account by entering your email address and password, click on the button and get started. It's as simple as that. Moving on to app number 4, and the name is actually SuperPay. SuperPay allows you to make money by completing free surveys online. After your surveys, you'll be receiving payment within 24 hours. How easy would it be to complete online surveys, collect the money, and all this while working from home? If you sign up today, you'll get 20 cents just for signing up. That's a 20-cent bonus just for signing up for free. You can then start taking surveys and completing other offers. You can collect your profits in a variety of easy ways, like cash straight into your bank through bank transfer, PayPal, gift cards, Amazon gift cards, or by using Skrill. You can even use Bitcoins if you prefer using cryptocurrency. Okay, take a look at this. The guys at SuperPay are very open and honest about all the proof of payments to their clients. You can view all the details, including how much they got paid. Most clients use PayPal to cash out their profits. As you can see, there are reoccurring amounts of $1, $5, and many more larger amounts, again and again. If you'd like to earn some serious amounts of money over and over again, just click on this button to join for free. This will then take you to the website where you can register. Enter your details and you are signed up. It's as easy as that. Other people all around the world are doing the same thing right now. Make sure you enter your payment information. This will be where they can send your money that you've earned. Then click I'm not a robot and complete the free account setup. Now, let's go to the final app, Smart App, which you can find at smartapp.io. It won't cost you a penny to download and install this app on your mobile phone. You can then start receiving money every month without doing anything. Individuals all around the world have been enjoying this app and you can read their positive feedback and testimonies. Just join for free and complete a few simple surveys to make sure you get accepted. After you've been approved, you can download and install this app for free. Make sure you link this app to your mobile phone or other device and turn it on every day. Just by doing this simple task will guarantee you free money. Well, that's it. If you'd like this type of content, look up my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the like button and hit that notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss anything else. If you have any questions about what you have seen or heard, then please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching and we will catch up again very soon in another video.